The COVID-19 pandemic has caused disruption to Kenya's economy and, among other things, is threatening to overwhelm our healthcare systems. UNDP is working with the government of Kenya to mitigate some of the challenges that the COVID-19 crisis has presented to the health sector.
With the onset of the COVID crisis, globally, UNDP came up with an offer to support countries around the world in line with our mandate as a broad development organization under the rubric of Prepare, Respond and Recover.
Some of the support includes the use of different technologies that have brought efficiencies in tracking and tracing contacts, testing, management of patients and waste disposal.
Today, as we deploy this technology, I have every confidence that our travelers, foremost those tourists visiting Kenya, will appreciate the ability of these robots to fast-track traveler clearance at airports, since they can screen the temperatures of up to 200 persons per minute.
Compelling evidence has shown that the use of technology can accelerate the development of COVID-19 diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines. One important use of technology is the deployment of smart anti-epidemic robotic solutions to help in the response and management of the COVID-19 pandemic in Kenya. In January 2020, the United Nations Development Programme UNDP, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, launched the piloting of robots to help in the response and management of the pandemic. The deployment of these robots, named Jasiri, Tumaini and Shujaa, is funded by the government of Japan. These robots will play an essential role in protecting frontline healthcare workers by limiting direct human contact, supporting preventive measures and enhancing public awareness of COVID-19 preventive measures, including the generation of real-time statistics and reports.
I'd like to say that what is being handed over today supports a key pillar of Kenyan government's Big Four agenda, that is the health sector. Improvement of this sector, health sector, is one of the Kenya's policy priorities, and so the support to this sector with such advanced technology as we are handing over today will no doubt continue to great effort currently and the way to successfully control COVID-19 in Kenya.
Please wear your mask correctly.
As part of a global UNDP Accelerator Lab network, we are a part of a network of 90 labs across the world, which are embedded within UNDP country offices around the world, which gives us an opportunity to learn from each other on the different challenges in real time. And so with this initiative, we had an opportunity to learn from the UNDP Accelerator Lab in Rwanda, who facilitated connections with their counterparts in the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of ICT and other key stakeholders in Rwanda who are involved with the deployment of the smart anti-epidemic robot solutions at the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The robotic solution was procured as part of UNDP's broader support that aims to strengthen Kenya's COVID-19 response at national and county levels.
With these robots, they have a capability of data correction and storage. There's one element that comes with it, which is real-time reporting. This is to benefit today decision making, but there is also storage and analysis of the data.
I want to appreciate the support from the UNDP through the Ministry of Health Kenya for assisting us in terms of capacity building. Here at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, we've trained a number of our staff, and we've started with the Kenya Airports Authority staff who are supporting us in terms of the ICT technology team.
Currently what we have is 5 ICT officers who are trained on how to operationalize the robots, constituted by other healthcare workers, a doctor who would give technical advice on the clinical aspects. We also have a public health officer who is in charge of the fumigation aspect to guide us how to do the fumigation.
The use of these robots has also proven successful in reducing the workload of health workers. With these and other technologies, UNDP and the Government of Kenya and the Government of Japan are working together to manage the COVID-19 crisis and any future pandemics.